Find or read reviews that people are talking about. Char-Broil 4636144023, 22-inch, 2-burner gas tabletop griddle. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Gas griddle, powered by liquid propane gas to cook without the hassle of charcoal. This griddle runs on a 1-pound propane gas tank, not included. It reaches cooking temperatures quickly, delivers high temps and maintains even heat. Cooking area, grill up to 14 burgers, 8 chicken breasts or 5 steaks on the 360 square inch cooking surface. Adjustable griddle top, heavy duty, steel griddle surface delivers even heat and optimum cooking performance. The flat surface is adjustable to ensure you always have a level surface and ideal for cooking with pots and pans. Grease tray, a removable grease tray with a silicone comfort grip handle catches oil drippings and slides out for easy cleaning. Ignition, electronic ignition ensures reliable starts every time. Simply turn on the gas, press the ignition button and the burners are lit. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.